everybody, Rhea here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. This video I filmed earlier today. I am making a smoothie as well as raw vegan tacos, which are really good. Today is day 2 of my Quantum Vetox 28-day cleanse, and it's going pretty well. I can feel it working. I can feel the bentonite clay that's pulling the toxins out of my system, and everything is, you'll have like slight headaches, you'll be a little tired, a little bit gassy the first couple of days. However, that's normal. It's just the cleanse working. You don't go to the bathroom all the time. It's not like any other thing that could be cleansing your system where you just pooping all the time. That's not what this cleanse does. So I would like for you to enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you decide to try the recipe when you're done, after you watch the video, let me know what you think about it. Yeah, I'm stumbling over my words. I'm a little bit tired, so bear with me. Bear with me, people. Okay, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. And there is a taste test after I taste my tacos because I kind of winged it. Oh, so peace. Okay, I emptied the contents of my bag into my blender, and I'm just going to add the milk. I used almond milk, but this is one of the recipes that I'm working on, so I'm not giving out ingredients yet because I want it to be just right. So I blitzed it. So as you can see, my measurements were not right. So I had to add some more milk to it. And there it is. This was actually pretty good. I think I overdid it on the agave. The agave is optional. So now that you've seen this, you are now about to see how I made those raw vegan tacos that were
okay, y'all. So you're gonna start out delicious by adding some soaked walnuts. Okay, make sure you boil the water first, and then pour them over the walnuts, and then let them sit until they get soft. Then you're gonna add some mushrooms. It don't matter what kind of mushrooms you add. You can add white mushrooms like I'm adding. You can add oyster mushrooms. You can add portobello mushrooms. Portobellos taste better, y'all. Okay, so once you have them in there, you're gonna add you some green bell peppers. Okay, that's 1 green bell pepper. Okay, put that in there, and then you're gonna add you a little purple onion. I know they call it red, but it looked purple to me, so it's purple onion. Okay, so then once you put that in there, you're gonna add your taco seasoning. Now you can add a taco seasoning of your choice. I didn't have any taco seasoning, so I made taco seasoning. So if you make your own taco seasoning, please go easy on the cumin. I put a tad bit too much in my taco. So next you're gonna squeeze 1 lime. You want the juice of 1 lime. It's backwards, so I had to turn it. Make sure you turn that thing upside down. Cut side down and then squeeze it. Otherwise, you're gonna have to turn that bad boy over. So once you add that, you just gonna pulse it. Okay, start out pulsing it. You're gonna have to stir it all up, just to, make sure you don't have no clumps of mushrooms in it. So basically what you really could do is make sure you cut up your mushrooms some. Don't throw them in there with whole halves like I did. Cut them up because I had some clumps in there when I finished. So now here I'm getting ready to pulse it. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. Bell pepper tried to escape. Put it back in there. And just continue to pulse that. Now, one thing I forgot to add, I forgot to put in my liquid smoke. Okay, so here I'm stirring it up, and I'm about to put a cap full of liquid smoke in there. Okay, 1 cap full. So you're gonna put the top back on there, and then you're gonna zhuzh it up some more until it starts to look like that. That looks delicious. So now I'm gonna do a cashew cream, which is gonna be the substitute for our cheese. So now you're gonna add a red bell pepper in it. This is only a half a red bell pepper I put in there. Now, if you really want good flavor, like really good flavor, I suggest you roast it. It's delicious. This is just meant to be raw, so that's why I didn't roast it. Here I had some seasonings that I mixed up. You can season this any way you want to. I did put like garlic powder, onion powder, you know, a little sazon in it and some other stuff. So basically what I had on hand. So then you want to add almond milk or any plant milk of your choice, but make sure you don't add too much. You see where I got it just above the fill line. You want it to, you know, not cover everything up like to the tippy top. You know, it'll give you a good consistency. So you shake it a little bit and you put it in there, and then you just zhuzh it up. And there it goes. It's pretty. There's no nutritional yeast in this. The color is just pretty because of the pepper. Okay, now you want to pour it inside a bowl. And now you assemble. So you get your lettuce leaves, you know, put your little raw walnut meat in there, top it with some of the cashew cream, and then put tomatoes on it. It's so good, y'all. I really hope y'all try this recipe and put your own little twist on it. You know what I'm saying? It's really good. And I actually had 2 of these. I was satisfied just off of 2 of those. I mean, the walnut meat itself, it's, I wouldn't say heavy, but it's filling. It's filling. And I wouldn't have been able to get a 3rd one anyway, because my kids tore this up. They love it. So taco night's gonna be raw tacos. Well, of course, you know, it's a couple of my children just gonna want them cooked. So we're gonna do a mixture of raw and cooked. But I'm gonna be tearing up the raw ones. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so... I think I'm gonna make some more. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, dear God, I'm so proud. Hello, everybody. So I'm done with making the tacos, and they look so good. They look good. So now I'm gonna taste it. Let's see. Oh God, this is gonna be a little sloppy. I'm gonna get this one with the narrow end, cause yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah. It looks so good. It tastes really, really good. Oh my God. This is delicious. It's really, really good. Not as messy as I thought it would be. But yeah, this is pretty good. I really think y'all should try this recipe. Now, if you make your taco season from scratch like I did, please go easy on the cumin. I went a tad bit overboard on the cumin. That's about it. But other than that, it's really, really good. And the best part about this, my daughter, my oldest daughter, she want me to make them for her birthday in June. So, yay! So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Okay. The smoothie that I showed you guys earlier, I'm actually gonna have that if I get hungry for supper. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. I still have to take my shake and my other capsules. So just stay tuned. This was day 2. Now, day 3 tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day or night wherever you are. Peace. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.